Hey everyone, it's an exciting time to be an investor in Asia. Today, I'm diving into the hottest equity crowdfunding startups across the continent. These companies are not just making waves locally, but they're also attracting global attention. Let's get started. First up we have. Based in Singapore, this platform is revolutionizing how people invest in everyday opportunities. It's backed by the same team behind Grab, the ride-hailing giant, and aims to make investing accessible to everyone. With its user-friendly mobile app and a range of investment options, Grab Invest is definitely a game changer in the equity crowdfunding space. Next, let's talk about originating from Malaysia. Crowdo offers both equity and debt crowdfunding. It's one of the pioneers in the region and has funded projects across various sectors like technology, education, and green energy. What sets Crowdo apart is its commitment to supporting SMEs and startups that are making a social impact. Definitely worth keeping an eye on. Moving on to in Taiwan. This platform focuses on connecting investors with SMEs that need capital to grow. Seedrs has a robust due diligence process, ensuring that each investment opportunity is vetted thoroughly. It's a trusted name in Taiwan and has a strong track record of successful funding rounds. If you're looking for reliable investment opportunities, Seedrs is a solid choice. Now let's head over to Hong Kong. With this equity crowdfunding platform is unique because it's the first in Hong Kong to be licensed by the Securities and Futures Commission. Angel Hub connects investors with tech startups that show high growth potential. It's a great platform for those interested in technology and innovation. Plus, being licensed gives it an added layer of credibility. Finally, we have from India. Known primarily for its social impact crowdfunding, Milap has recently ventured into equity crowdfunding. It's focusing on startups that not only promise returns, but also aim to create a positive change in society. With its strong community base and transparent processes, Milap is an exciting platform for socially conscious investors. So there you have it, 5 of the hottest equity crowdfunding startups in Asia. These platforms are opening up new avenues for investment and are definitely worth exploring. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio and tap into the Asian market, now's the perfect time. Thanks for watching and happy investing. See you next time.